Here we have a 2018 BMW 530e M Sport. This vehicle comes with 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Sophisto grey metallic paintwork, LED daytime running headlights, 2 gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter, side skirts along the bottom. We have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the glass sunroof just here, which is currently open. That can also get put onto a tilt. The shark fin antennae. We have the e-drive badge just there. There is a look at another alloy wheel, again unmarked. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. We have the dual exit exhaust and the rear diffuser. We also have a quick release for the boot just on the remote. As you can see, if we press that button, it will open just like so. Now inside of here you find that we have plenty of space. We have the charger just on the left there as well. If we close that back up and come around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the final alloy wheel just there, as you can see, excellent condition. If I'm taking a look at the interior, so inside of here you find the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, the fixed ISO points. We also have the blue stitching as well, if you can just about see that. We have the vents for the rear passengers and a 12-volt connectivity. Storage behind the front seats. We have the electric windows on the doors. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system as well. In the front again, we have the full leather interior. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable and also both heated as well. On the doors you'll find the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the ambient lighting. We also have the electric windows, which are out for the rear, electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers, multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter as well. If we take a seat inside, you'll find that we have the digital dashboard just there. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button, and the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find that it'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard, only one being fully fuel, so nothing to worry about there. Now we can adjust the dials just by pointing it into different drive modes. So if we go to the Eco drive mode, you find it changes like so, or into the Sport, it will change again. But keep it into Comfort and it looks like that. Moving across into the main infotainment screen, you'll find the likes of the sat-nav just there. We also have a range of media as well, so we have the radio. We also have the music collection, the CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, we have the USB and other options as well. The phone connectivity just there. If we go to the main menu, you find further options which we've just been through. The connective drive just there. If we go to My Vehicle, go into the vehicle settings. This is where you'll be able to adjust the interior lighting. As you can see, we're currently on blue. We can see the blue lights. If we change it to orange, for example, it will change the lights to orange, as you can see, just running across there. If we go back again, go further down, you'll find the technology in action. It's where you find the sport displays just there. It's a pretty cool feature to have. Putting the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors. Put it back into park low. Further down, if you press onto this button, you find the intelligent safety just there, making it a very safe car to drive. We have the climate control just here, separate climate control for the driver and also the passenger. As you can see, you can change it just like so. With the ice cold air conditioning, we have the heated seats on either side, all working just as it should do. Gear stick just there. Inside of here you find some storage space, a USB port, 12-volt connectivity and 2 good sized cup holders as well. All the shortcuts for the infotainment screen just there. The different drive modes as well. The electric handbrake and auto hold. We also have a nice leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage. And inside of there you find a 12-volt connectivity. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2018 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not electrified with steering wheel. You keep it in a straight line, it's going straight to true, not veering off to your left or to your right hand side. side. We do have a multifunction steering wheel paddle shift if we stick the car into manual mode, and you also get your cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side. We have your digital dash, which changes when you pop it into your manual mode or sports mode when you push the gear stick to the left hand side, or change through the different gear driver modes. Now at the roundabout I'm going to take a left as you would if you were test driving this vehicle today. Now we do have a very comfortable full leather seats throughout this vehicle. The two front seats are heated and electrically adjustable and have the extended thigh support. Now you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this car and still get off feeling fresh. We have your panoramic sunroof, your ambient lighting that goes all around the interior of this vehicle. You have your big satellite navigation screen adjusted there. We have your Bluetooth meter, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. We also have your front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Now it's controlled from the touchpad down here, or you can use the touchscreen function on the screen. Throughout this vehicle, with the ambient lighting, you do have the glass back trim, which is a very nice feature to have on this vehicle, matched with the brush mats on the ambient lighting. It makes the interior of this vehicle a very nice environment to be in. We have your different drive modes, your electric parking brake with auto hold, just down there as well. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and CarGurus. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good they are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now, we do offer free next day nationwide delivery throughout the entirety of the UK. So whether you're up in Scotland or down on the south coast of Cornwall or Devon, we can facilitate that. So in a second, I will be coming up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform a mid stop, I'll straight into reverse, just steering the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So just pulling up now, and I'll do the emergency stop from countdown from 3. So 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You've got your rear camera just there, and on the left hand side you have front and rear parking sensors. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you have answered all of your questions and inquiries during this walk around video and test drive, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can answer those questions, also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.